YouTube automation.
Make money with YouTube automation.
YouTube automation is the best.
Best niches for YouTube automation.
Well, everyone is talking about YouTube automation nowadays. New channels are popping up every day and talk about YouTube automation and new niches. But if you watch carefully, all of them talk about the same niches. I mean, I have watched more than 50 videos about how to make a historical YouTube channel, which is now fucking useless because of the high competition. These big channels talk about how much money they made, but they don't actually show you good niches to do that, and they keep doing the same niches over and over again. If you need to find a low competitive niche that has huge demand, and that can be actually monetized, you have to dive into the YouTube algorithm and do some research for days. That's actually what I did. I found a new niche that no other YouTube guru has revealed so far. This channel has only posted 3 videos and has gained 16,000 subscribers. Their first video has gained 600,000 views. This is another big channel in this niche. I couldn't find a lot of example channels in this niche because this niche is still not saturated. I'm gonna call this niche the Dark Truth niche. Let me explain. This niche is about controversial things, such as exposing people, exposing industries, and more. We can just say that this niche is about trending controversial topics in society. Let me show you how to make a channel for this niche from scratch. Let's start with creating a name for this channel. I'm going to use ChatGPT for it. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. I have created this specific prompt. I will leave this prompt in the comment section. As you can see here, we have some amazing ideas for this channel. All of these are really good. I'm gonna go with this one, which is Real Reveal. Let's create a description for this channel as well. You can use the same prompt and just change the name to match your channel's name. This is perfect. Now, let's start the video creation process. For this whole process, I'm just gonna use one tool for script creation, voice generation, and video editing. You don't need to jump around 3 to 4 AI tools to create videos for this niche. This tool is enough. I'm gonna use Filmora 13 for this process. If you go to their main website, you can easily download it to your computer. I'm gonna use Filmora 13 to create a completely monetizable video for this niche. Let's start the process. This tool is one of the best tools I have used. After you install this on your computer, you will come to this page. And if you click this AI toolbox option, you can see all the AI features they provide. As you can see here, we have screen recording, AI text to video, AI text-based editing, AI copywriter, and more features. It's actually easier for us as content creators to use one tool to do all the hard work. Script generation. When it comes to this specific niche, we should have a unique and good script, and it should sound like telling a story in a dramatic way. I have selected this specific topic, which is how YouTube gurus are scamming you with paid causes. This topic is really good for this niche. I'm gonna use Filmora to generate the script for this video, and then I'm gonna change it a little bit so that it can gain more attention. Go to this copyright tool and select YouTube oral script. Then all you need to do is type the topic of the video you want. Then click this generate button. It will generate the video script within several seconds. Now, you can read this whole script and change it according to your ideas. It's completely up to you. Now that we are done with the video script, let's create visuals for this video. That process is very simple with Filmora 13. Go to this iText to video option and paste the script you created. Then, you can select the language and a suitable AI voice from these. If you want to use your own voice, you can try this voice cloning feature. You just need to record your voice with a mic, and this will convert it to an AI voice generator. For this example video, I'm gonna go with this one. Then select the size of the video and generate. It will take several minutes to complete the video. The video is completed. As you can see here, this tool has generated a complete video for our script with stock videos, voiceovers, and background music. Now I'm gonna do some edits and make this video more engaging and unique. First, I'm gonna show you how to replace these stock videos. Let's say you don't like a certain stock video that this AI has used. Just delete it, go to this stock video option, and search for the video you would prefer. In this case, I would like to use a video of a guy driving a luxury car. Okay, great. We have several videos, so I'm gonna use this one. This AI tool has copyright-free stock videos for anything. You can use these on your videos without any issues. Once that video clip is downloaded, drag and drop it like this. So, guys, take your time to add suitable clips to your video with this option. let me show you a cool way to add graphics to these videos. Go to stock videos and search for green screens. In this case, I'm going to use this money green screen video. Let's drag it to the timeline. Now, we need to remove this green screen part. For that, go to the AI tools and enable this chroma key option. Now it will automatically remove the green color background, and you can adjust these settings to get clear output like this. This process is really simple. So, just like this, you can improve the quality of your video by adding these elements. If you go to this transition option, you can see that this tool has a lot of cool transitions. I'm gonna add these between clips. It will make your video more interesting. Just drag and drop these transitions in between these clips. If you want to add filters to this video, just go to this filter option, and you can see that there are tons of filters available. This is up to you. You can use any of these filter on your videos. Let me show you a cool feature. If you click this small icon that says Filmora Copilot, you will get this chat box. This is an AI copilot. You can ask anything about this tool, or if you want to know how to do a specific task, just ask this. It will provide you with all the guidance. As an example, I'm going to ask about how to generate some AI images for this video. See, this AI has given me all the details I need. Let's go to this AI image option and generate some images with it. You can just type the prompt here. It's similar to any other AI image generator. And let's see the results. This is perfect. Now if you want, you can use these images on your video. Now, let me show you how to edit these subtitles. Select all the text layers like this and go to titles from this menu. Use this tool, you can easily edit the subtitles. I'm going to change the font of these texts, so make sure to select a good font. And let's add some pre-made text preset to this. There are a lot of pre-made text effects. You just need to check each one of them and select a good effect for your video. After that, go to this animation and we can add sliding animations to these texts. Select a suitable animation from these and you are done with that process. Then, I'm going to add some cool background music as well. This AI has this new option where you can create AI-generated music. Let me show you how to do that. Go to this audio option and select AI music. Now you can select the mood, theme, and genre you want, and this AI will generate music suitable for that. And you can use it on your video. This is really simple. They also have normal background music. Just go to this music option, and you will see a lot of music tracks related to different genres. If you want, you can use these instead of AI-generated music. It's up to you. The video is completed. Now, let me show you how to create a thumbnail for this video using this AI tool. As I mentioned earlier, this tool is an all-in AI tool. Click this export option, and you will see this thumbnail tool here. Click the edit button, and you will come to this page. Now, you can select any frame of your video to use as a thumbnail. I'm going to select this frame. Now, click this edit button again, and you will come to this page. As you can see here, they have provided several categories and styles. How-to videos, cooking videos, and styles for more niches. You can use any of these templates by just clicking it, and it will convert your image to a thumbnail. For this video, I'm going to use this template. And let's change its title, like this. You can customize these templates any way you want. That's why I really like to use this tool. After you edit all the things you need, click Save and export the video and thumbnail. So, just like this, you can do all the things with this AI tool. Let's see the final result.
The dark side of YouTube gurus, you know, those folks who promise overnight success with their pricey courses. If you're someone who's been looking for guidance online, this one's for you. So, grab a seat and get ready, because we're about to uncover some eye-opening truths. We've all seen them, right? The YouTube gurus showing off their flashy cars, exotic vacations, and the latest high-end gadgets. They say they've got the secret sauce to success, and all you need to do is sign up for their course. But let's peel back the layers. What's really going on behind these perfectly crafted success stories? It's easy to get caught up in those glowing testimonials and endless positive comments. Everyone's smiling, everyone's winning, at least that's what it looks like. But here's the thing, a lot of those testimonials are fake, and comments can be manipulated. It's all part of a well-planned strategy to gain your trust and make you believe their course is the golden ticket. Now, let's talk about what happens after you buy in. People hand over their hard-earned cash, hoping for life-changing knowledge. Instead, they end up drowning in a sea of information, most of which they could have found for free. They're left stressed, disappointed, and often with a lot less money than they started with. So, how do these gurus reel in so many people? It's all about manipulation. They target folks who are desperate for change or validation, selling them a dream of luxury and success. But the reality? Their main goal is making money off you, not helping you succeed. But don't lose hope. There's another way. Self-education is powerful. Many have achieved incredible success on their own, without dropping a fortune on these courses. They did their homework, used free resources, connected with like-minded people, and built their own path.
This is actually perfect. So guys, if you want to start a channel in this niche, follow this exact method. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next video.